Today we're talking about no degree needed remote jobs that pay a pretty nice salary. One of these jobs is entry level, so very little knowledge is needed for this one. And the other two are at the bottom end of mid-level, so you do need to have a little bit of related experience, but not too much. So I have a job where you'll oversee travel and expense operations, a beginner level database administrator job, and a marketing position, all available today, hiring in the USA. Let's scan through them. So I'm going to start off with the lowest paying job I have of the three today, and that one is with Stitch Fix. This is for a travel and expense coordinator. It's a full-time remote position anywhere within the United States. They tell us that right here on this job description. And also on this job description, as we scroll down to the bottom, they tell us how much they're going to pay, which is between $25.17 and $37.02 per hour. They tell us that right here on this job description. So you'll be part of the accounts payable team, and you'll serve as a key contributor to Stitch Fix employee reimbursement and corporate card program administration. You'll manage daily T&E operations, ensuring timely processing and audit compliance, as well as policy alignment. You'll apply precision to employee expense reviews, invoice validation, and system workflows, while proactively identifying and resolving discrepancies and flagging items. You'll also support period end close by preparing journal entries and performing account reconciliations, and maintaining financial integrity across the T&E accounts. So that pretty much sums up what you're going to do in this job. They list all the details. Feel free to read through them. Basically, you'll oversee the day-to-day T&E and non-inventory AP process, including invoice and expense reporting, auditing, GL coding accuracy, and timely resolution of exceptions. And what they want from you is 3 to 5 years hands-on experience in accounts payable and T&E operations, including ownership of reimbursement processes, corporate card administration, and audit support. You can manage invoice and expense processing workflows with precision, ensuring policy compliance, accurate GL coding, and timely issue resolution across U.S. and international entities. You're fluent in ERP tools such as Oracle Cloud and expense management platforms. You have a strong understanding of internal controls, accounting procedures, and SOX and audit requirements, contributing to accurate period close and audit readiness. You can streamline repetitive processes, identify discrepancies, and implement sustainable solutions that reduce rework and enhance accountability. And of course, you're a really good communicator. You can collaborate across teams with a service-first mindset. You're self-directed, and above all, you're bright, kind, and motivated by challenge. So that does it for this job. Let's move on to the entry-level database administrator position. And that one is with Select Quote. So they have an opening for a database administrator level 1 to work full-time remotely anywhere within the United States. And right here on this job description, they give us a pay range, which is between $60,000 and $75,000 per year. So in this job, you'll work with the help desk application development and other teams to provide them with support and task resolution, and you'll be responsible for performing the tasks necessary for maintaining the database infrastructure and automating those tasks whenever possible. So in other words, you'll validate requests for user access and enable user access to data assets, troubleshoot user access issues, perform ad hoc backups and restores, troubleshoot scheduled tasks, and perform simple deployment tasks. They'd like you to have a basic understanding of SQL and a basic understanding of Windows Active Directory accounts and groups. You have attention to detail, an understanding of native database and recovery methodologies, and an understanding of database security and how it can integrate with identity management systems, and you have troubleshooting skills. And as far as education and experience, they tell us right here a minimum of 0 to 2 years experience working with SQL Server and a minimum of 0 to 2 years of overall IT experience. So I'm going to say this, if you don't have any of this experience, but you do have a really good understanding of all these things, definitely apply for this job. I think you're qualified. So that's it for this one. Let's go into the marketing job. And it comes to us from Impact, a huge affiliate marketing platform. So landing on the careers page, all we're going to do is click this View Global Opportunities. So we can see they're hiring in a few different countries. The one we're interested in today is in North America. So I click North America, and I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and on the right click Join Us, and it's going to show us all the opportunities they have available right now. I'm going to make sure Remote US is indicated, and we can see they have one remote opportunity. It's for a demand generation associate. So this job is in the marketing field, and I'm just going to scroll down a little bit more because I want to show you how much they're going to pay for this position. Right here they tell us the salary range is $85,000 to $100,000 per year, plus an additional 5% variable annual bonus. So as a demand generation associate, you'll be responsible for managing channels including website chatbot, direct buy or media buying, and the company's gifting platform. In this role, you'll work closely with the Associate Director of Demand Generation, Sales, Marketing Programs, Content, and Web and Design teams. So you'll manage qualified chatbot execution. That means you'll update and manage different workflows within the tool, as well as keep sales team updated with the tool, such as adding users, managing permissions, and keeping reporting updated. You also work closely with inbound and outbound sales team leaders to optimize the channel and review and provide updated reporting. You also manage direct buy channel execution, maintaining a direct buy calendar with media purchases and commitments, promotional assets, and costs. Manage Asana tickets and creative requests to the design team, content team, and revenue operations teams. Ensure leads are submitted to revenue operations and work closely with vendors to provide deliverables for ad placements. And last but not least, you'll manage gifting platform execution, supporting inbound and outbound sales teams with campaign builds and troubleshooting. You'll drive pipeline and revenue, optimize toward agreed upon campaign KPIs, test and optimize, and make sure channels are aligned and working cohesively with the sales team. So you don't need a degree in this position. They would like you to have 2 to 4 years of demand generation experience, as well as 1 to 2 years of Salesforce experience. You have strong collaboration and project management experience and experience tracking and reporting on campaign performance. You have strong critical thinking and analytical skills. You're able to be flexible and pivot in a fast-paced changing environment. You have experience with various MarTech platforms. You're comfortable in Salesforce. You have B2B experience, and it's a bonus but not required. It's a bonus you have experience in Marketo and 6 Sense. So that's it for this one. In fact, we just went over a nice little variety of no degree needed remote jobs. Hopefully one of them works out for you. And if you want some more good paying remote jobs, check out this video right here. Have a good day, take care, and I'll catch you on the next one.